Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Finally, I got access to Jules. I got this mail yesterday that you have got access to Jules. What is Jules? It is Google's asynchronous coding agent. It is basically same as the OpenAI Codex. Those who have not watched this video about this OpenAI Codex, please watch. You will get the complete idea. The difference between this Codex and this Google's Joule is OpenAI Codex is not free, but this Google's Jules is completely free. Okay, and to use the OpenAI Codex, you have to pay the $200 subscription, but this Joule is free for use. Okay, and what they have written here, you see, we are excited to have you as a new user. Joule is Google's powerful asynchronous coding agent. You can give Jules multiple tasks at the same time, like bugs, other items from your backlog, and freeing you up to focus on more important things. And it has speed and efficiency, it has code insight, and they have one extra feature which is CodeCast, which I will show you in this video. And obviously this code control, maintain full control of your code base. Jules works in its own environment, only creating branches and pull requests at your request, and giving you the final say on code review and merging. Suppose you have given multiple tasks to this Jules, so it will create its own sandbox, and these sandboxes are the isolated environment where they will execute the task one by one, and when they will be completed, they will send you the notification that your task got completed. Please review it, and if everything is okay, then just merge your code and deploy it. Okay, so I will show you the step-by-step process. Those who have not got the Joule access, for them you have to go to this website jules.google.com. I have given the link in the description. Go to that website and you will find this kind of interface. Here you see that Jules, your AI powered code agent that works in the background, so you can focus on critical tasks. Okay, so here you see write code to solve your issue, break down complex coding tasks into actionable steps, understand and navigate your code base, run and validate changes through unit test, adapt the approach based on your feedback. Okay, so these are the things that Jules can do, and here you see that this kind of interface. What you have to do, click on this, be one of the first to try Jules. When you click on it, you will get this kind of message that you are on the list. Thanks for your interest in Jules. We will email you when Jules is available. So I actually applied 3 months ago, and today means yesterday I got this kind of access from Google's. Okay, so now let me open it. So here you see that I have this link. Let me clear it. I have this link, Jules. So if I click on it, I will get this kind of interface, and here I have to just click on this checkbox and click on this continue, and after that let's see what is coming. Okay, connect to GitHub. So for the OpenAI Codex was also same things, that you have to connect the GitHub, and from there it will face the repositories and the branches for all of that repositories, right? So click on this connect to GitHub, and now click on this authorize Google Lab Jules, and now the authorization got completed. Click on this install and authorize. Now it got closed, and here you see that fetching your organizations. It is currently fetching all of the repositories, and in this drop down on the left hand side, here you see that all of these repositories that I have made. So this is the Node.js chat. This is my one of the biggest projects that I have made. It is a full stack website. Currently it has one branch, which is a master branch. Now here I can ask it that please explain me the code base. I can tell it. Now I want to add one feature in my current code base. So for that I can type that add dark mode or dark mode theme in this code base. Okay, and now if I click on this give me a plan, okay, And now here you see that it is currently giving me the plan. Click on this enable and click on this allow, and here you see booting up the VM, means the virtual machine, the isolated virtual machine, it is starting. And on the top here you see that there is a plus button. That means you can start another task also, and this task will go in the background. Okay, now here you see that it has found one plan. So those who have used the client, they know that there is a plan mode and act mode. And before starting any project, we turn on the plan mode. There we create the plan, then only we go to the act mode when we are satisfied. And here also same thing, like I asked it to add the feature for dark mode theme, and it has made the plans that where it have to change, because it has the access to the entire repository of this code base. Now it has found all of the files, and it know already that in which file you have to do, it has to do the changes. Now click on this approve plan. Now if you don't click on this approve plan, then also automatically it will be approved after 5 minutes. Okay, now click on this approve plan. And here you see that Joule has already started working, and it has done the changes in these three files. So follow my cursor. You will find these changes inside this style.css, inside this script.js, and inside this header.pug file. Okay, and now on the left hand side, here you see that it is asking me some of the things like the code implementation for the dark mode theme is now complete. Could you please help test the theme switcher in browser? Here is what to check: initial theme and this theme switcher button and local storage. It is asking me that it has done all of the changes. Please test it and let me know that if you are getting any issue or not. And here you see Joule is waiting for your input to continue working. Now how I can test it? And they currently don't have the preview option. That means whatever the changes it has done, you cannot see it on browser as a live, and for that you have to merge this code with your current code base. So just tell it that it is working fine. Okay, it is working fine. And now press enter, and here you see that it is testing the theme switcher. And here you see that what it is telling me, that commit the changes with a descriptive message. Now it is doing the commit also, because it has access to the code base, to the git repository, right? And also here you see that ready for review. It has done the commit message like implement dark mode theme and switcher, right? And all of the information also it has given. And there is a button like publish branch. Now if I click on this publish branch, now you will see that it will be reflected in my GitHub repository. So I will also show you that. Now it is asking me for this view branch. So now if I click on this view branch, it will open another tab, and here you see fit dark mode. So it has actually created another branch. Previously I had only one branch. I have already shown you during connection of my GitHub repository. I had previously one branch which was master branch. Now it has created another branch which is dark mode. Now what I will do, I will go to this dark mode, okay, and I will see in my local browser that it is working fine or not. If it is working fine, then what I will do, I will merge that feature in my master branch. Okay, so it is the only way of working with Jules. So what I am telling you, that although they don't have the preview option, what you have to do, just push the code in your GitHub repository and switch the branch from your VS Code to that branch, the newly created branch, and check that feature in your browser, and if everything is okay, then merge this branch to this master branch. Okay, I hope you got the point that how to work with it. And another thing is that, and on the right hand side here you see that there is a expand button. So if I click on it, you will see that all of these files, in which file they have done the changes, they are showing it here. So this is the thing that I wanted to share with you. And here you see that all of these virtual machines are using Gemini 2.5 Pro. That means you will get the best output, and it is Google's version of Devin. And another thing is that it comes with 5 free tasks a day, and it is a Codex competitor that can make pull request on its own, because in case of Codex we have already seen that there manually you have to raise the pull request, but here Jules can make the pull request on its own, and it has 5 free tasks per day, which is good. At least you don't have to pay $200 to test this Joule. If you found this video helpful guys, and if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe our channel Code Digit, and also please watch the other videos also that I have published in our channel, like on this void ID, which is in cursor and windsurf alternative, and also this taskmaster 2.0 update. If you have not watched till now, please watch. You will get a huge advantage from this taskmaster, and this client version 3.15 update, which was the biggest update, and this windsurf SWE1 feature. Currently it is free, so take the advantage of this windsurf SWE1 and watch the other videos also. So currently I am concluding this video here, and if you found helpful, please like this video, please comment down below. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.